Hello, my name is Dean Alhost, and today I will be teaching you how to enter the transactions into the Sales Returns Daybook, or as it's sometimes known, the Returns Inwards Daybook. We will then go through how to enter the transactions into the double entry T accounts. All business transactions need to be recorded in one of the 7 books of original entry by our bookkeeper, who is usually a junior accountant in the firm. In this case, we're going to look at the returns inwards, or the sales returns, by our customers back to our business. Usually our customer might be unhappy because they've been sent the wrong type of good, or the good simply is not working. Well, the junior accountant or the bookkeeper will enter any returns inwards that we accept from our customers into the sales returns or the returns inwards daybook. That information will then be put into the general ledger and the sales ledger in the form of T accounts. When one of our business customers returns goods to us, they are going to also send with those goods a debit note. The debit note will outline very clearly what the goods are that they are sending back and the reason why they are sending them back, as well as the amount they're expecting as a refund. We can see very clearly in this debit note that the goods were damaged, which is why they're returning 2 boxes of cherries, 3 boxes of apples and 2 boxes of tomatoes, and they're seeking or wanting a refund of $144. As a business, we would need to check that the reason that they are sending those goods back to us is actually correct, and if we accept that we're going to give them a refund, then we would send them a credit note. The credit note we can see here clearly outlines that we have accepted that we are going to refund $40 for the 2 boxes of cherries, $8 per unit for the boxes of apples, and $20 per unit for the boxes of tomatoes, and in total we are going to refund $144. The bookkeeper will need to make a record of the refund that we are going to sell, simply so that we know that we're going to have to send the credit note and also the money owing back to our customer. So where do we enter that? Well, we just put it into our sales returns daybook. So we can see here we have the date that we are accepting the return. We're going to return the money to Villa Market Limited, and that amount is $144. At the end of the month, we would total up all the returns that we have made to our customers in terms of refunds, and we would then enter that into the double entry T accounts in the ledgers. So from previous tutorials, you remember that we actually sold Villa Market $1,008, but they returned to us $144 of damaged fruit and vegetables. So that return is going to go out of their debtor account, which can be found in the sales ledger, and it's going to go back into our sales returns account. Again, we only actually have 1 return in this example, but if you had 2 or 3 returns, you would take the total sales returns or returns inwards for the month, and you would enter it on the debit side. Why? Because the returns of bad fruit and vegetables is coming back into our business on the debit side. Thanks for listening. If you did find this tutorial useful, then please wait up for the next video to load in the playlist. And remember that you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you do find what we're doing useful, then please hit the like button.